Ever since I made my advanced video on how to make better sourdough, a lot of you have been asking me the same one question. When are you making your beginner's tutorial that you promised? Well, it's here. But it's not just a recipe, because the more I worked on it, the more I realized that a one-off YouTube video wasn't going to cut it. To make great sourdough bread, you need to understand what's happening even when things go wrong. Sourdough can feel unpredictable. What worked one day is a total flop the next. I've been there. It can be frustrating, overwhelming. Sometimes you just want to give up. But that's only when you don't know how to read your sourdough. And so that's why I've created an entire in-depth course to give you a foundation of easy-to-follow tips and techniques that unlock the secrets to making consistently great sourdough. Honestly, this is the course I wish I was able to take when I first started making bread. If you know this channel, you know I don't like to do anything half-baked, so to speak. I've poured months into making this course, filming, refilming, filming again at different angles, different stages of the process. It's safe to say it's also the biggest editing project I've ever taken on. Plus, there's an accompanying ebook I put together. The long and short of it is, I wanted to make a quality product that has real value. So yeah, that's why this channel's been a bit quiet lately. The good news is, now that my sourdough course is out, I can get back to doing the deep dive food videos you expect from me here. That's the focus I want to keep on True Food TV. Because I get it, not all of you are interested in baking. And for my part, it's just not sustainable creating free sourdough tutorials while also making stories about where our food comes from, which take tons of hours and research. So, the link below this video will take you to my new sourdough course. And going forward, that's where you'll also find my baking content outside of YouTube. I still might post the odd baking video here from time to time. I haven't decided yet. But the big picture is, I want to be able to dedicate proper care and attention and time to doing baking tutorials right. Many of you have already taken your sourdough to the next level from watching my baking videos here on YouTube, but this course goes much deeper than anything I've ever shared. If you've never made a sourdough loaf in your life, this course is for you. If you've been baking for a while and you find that you can't always nail that perfect loaf, this course is also for you. I'll take you through every step of the process, from sourdough starter through to analyzing your finished bread. We'll explore the signs of overproofing and underproofing and how to know when your dough is ready to bake. I'll share my secrets for getting a beautiful blistered crust and a gorgeous crispy ear, how to score your bread smoothly, and of course, how to achieve an even open crumb. We'll be going in depth, make no mistake, but I've created this course to be concise. I'm going to get you baking great sourdough bread right away with confidence. You can check out exactly what the course covers, chapter by chapter, by clicking the link in the description below, or when it pops up next to me on the screen. There's also a short video there that explains the 3 key takeaways that separate my course from all the others. So if you're a sourdough baker or long to be one, or there's someone in your life who fits that bill, click that link or pass it along. And for a limited time only, I'm offering a discount. So what are you waiting for? Let's make some sourdough bread together.